it's Saturday, right? And we're actually gonna go to Waterloo to look at the campus and do the open house and have the there's like an engineering after party, so that'll be fun. I'm gonna meet with my friend Ian in a bit. Yeah. Yo.
Yeah, this
Alright, yo. Oh god, this is crazy.
You know where we at? We at Waterloo now. You know, we defeated all the schools. You know how the start.
You wanna know why we have the best engineering free entry school, right? Is, bro, look at this right here. This article.
You're so good.
This article is the sole reason for our success.
Yeah,
why 94% is not 94%.
Exactly.
That's crazy.
Yo, they're at E5, but
E5 is right next to
Yeah, E5 is right there.
but here it says engineer. Check what E5 is.
E5 is right next to us, bro.
Yeah, what are these guys tripping about,
Right
bro?
next to us. It's the same building.
Isn't this another connection between two buildings?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay, let's go.
Yo, isn't this?
Start recording when we find Dwayne.
No, yo, you gotta keep on pointing and let me see Lathan.
Okay, let me see Lathan. Oh my god, let me see Lathan.
My phone's about to die.
Wait, where is Lathan?
He's on the other side. Oh,
You saw
he was on a building I never even seen before because it's the health science one or like science.
Yo, that's sketchy.
I was like, what does this even mean? It's like HLT. I was like, what the? Guys, such a filming. Like, I need to actually get better at this.
Here's the minimum requirement.
So, what's your next step plan to getting
Yo,
better
it's right there. It's right there.
Yo, who are you here with?
Here is future management engineer. The one saying,
Hey, who are we here with?
No, I can't hear you.
Alright.
Yo, we won the lollipop. We won the bag. Got the
You won a bag. Where'd you win the bag at?
Can't tell you.
Crazy.
Let's
do a height check right here. Nicholas, let's do a height check right here. Stand next to Dwayne.
Yo, Dwayne's actually so much taller.
Crazy one. Crazy.
We gotta go
one.
see Layton.
Alright. Chill.
Do you want to get? Where are we eating? Yeah, do you want to get food down there, or do you want it because it's on the way?
Food, I don't care anything.
We're passing by the plaza.
Whatever you guys want.
Okay, let's go plaza.
Lunch we can
Plaza?
keep it simple, and then afternoon.
Yeah, exactly.
Dinner we can ball out.
Yo, just keep it simple.
Also,
Dinner we ball out.
if you guys have a
Yeah,
charger,
keep it simple.
Lunch we keep it simple. Dinner we ball out.
Yeah, I'm not really hungry.
my phone's on 39% and it's dropping on its own, and I don't have any battery.
Okay, when we get there, do you guys just want to buy some slices of pizza?
No, I don't.
Always buy pizza from here. What the hell?
Get out the picture, brother.
That thinks she's OG and it's not OG.
Do you guys want to take a photo?
You can't be in the photo.
What the fuck?
Alright, bet.
You barely got in, bro.
Yo, what?
You got 70 in English.
Yo, chill.
I'm paying, bro.
We gotta remember this. Guys, at this rate, we're literally gonna be.
Yo, what's good?
Yeah. So I'm
Don't
here.
give me the vlog.
We're at University of Waterloo, right?
Go to the side. Yo, do I get out of the way, bro? This is so slick.
Yeah, this is kind of a quick you on. Don't
Yo,
forget
Cog, it's
that.
all about Miss Kennels. You can't forget the roots.
Oh, you gotta let the.
Just have breakfast.
We're walking on this.
Yo, UWP is far, right?
Dinner we can ball
It's
out.
pretty far.
Not really, but we're getting food.
Alright. Yo,
What's the
there's
uni-
really not. There's not
What's
much.
the University Shops Plaza?
I don't know.
Can we go through
Yo,
here?
so what'd you get instead? What? What'd you buy instead?
Yo, there's no Chipotle, right? Man, I wish there was a Chipotle here. Bro, they would make so much money, bro. If they had Chipotle here, they would make so much money. We all have to.
This guy's 8. That's the issue.
Are you talking about when we get money?
Yo, chill.
8 or 4?
I'm gonna do 4. No, I have classes with you guys.
I might do 4.
Yeah, yo, he actually has a lot of.
Bro, this
Yeah.
guy had couple Amazon.
what his what was the projects?
I don't know if he likes me that much.
Yo, that's
He's
crazy.
bad. That's his job, man.
I asked him, so, oh yeah, but this is what he told me. He said he has his own startup apparently. He's cooking up on stuff.
Like the first couple of years, he goes like startup, and then after.
Yeah, but no, yeah, exactly. This guy, he's year 2. He's had 3 co-ops. And he's running double Amazon.
Yo, that's crazy.
Usually double Amazon's crazy.
Yeah, I know. Yo,
Either way, bro. Even if there's hot girls here, you wouldn't get this place.
yo, what's going on?
Okay, after that.
I get this. Go ask the session.
Yo, Chip. There's no way you're scoring here, dude.
Oh, okay, yes.
Where do you think I bought this from? Can I get the signature?
I'll get the same thing. I just walk in now? What do I have?
No, this is actually half of them, bro. This is like half of them we're gonna be like going through.
What if we just make the 1 hour drive?
Oh, can you stop fucking complaining?
In the morning, every morning.
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, wait, where's the way? Oh,
Always never miss hand class.
What
Never an actual time exam. Have you ever been to town in class?
yo, what the fuck? Bro.
What's up? This is the good one.
Okay, yeah, that looks good.
Oh, wait, that is CMH. Oh, wait.
That's the one that we want.
Yeah, that's the one we want. Oh, shit, it's right beside E7 too. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's what the guy was saying. He was saying some of them you have to take a bus.
Yeah, I'm not trying to take no bus, bro.
Are all our classes gonna be in Eastern?
Yeah, most of them. Well, actually, me and Ian's and I think some of ours will be mostly in E7.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, are courses like calc even gonna be in interior buildings?
Yeah.
This is engineering.
Oh, yeah,
It's-
calc are-
Yeah.
Yeah.
It depends.
These guys have their own specific courses.
That many, like, classes?
Half the meal po?
Some different activities, bro.
Yeah, so any residents on campus will have a laundry room that's similar to this. The prices are all. One is on the campus.
Start ripping it. No, he's not. He's here.
Wait, it's genuinely it's the same water fountain.
Yo, let's go.
Bro thinks he's getting into NAC with 70 English.
We just don't go to Rev. So we have to either get no food here. I'll get our food here or go to Village One.
Yo, this is
You're good, you're good. I only have this guy in it.
Guys, can we stop?
They want to start vlogging. You gotta start bulking, bro. When you come here, you gotta.
Area. So on the weekends, there's a lot of like events that are hosted by the Dawn. It's
pretty beautiful. Yeah.
For your students, for like secondary locations.
We need to go to the
information. Kind of post
not for grade 11.
for your floor.
just
And then on the weekend,
The
we have a lot of
professors come and
students
talk
here that are like.
Oh, cool. That was gonna be. Yo, that's good. This is fire. Yeah.
It's like a jail cell, bro.
Yeah. Half of them are like, yo, this is literally.
Sweet stuff. I can't come on top.
Yeah, that might be a little too.
I don't know if they're all full.
Oh, you're gonna go to record. Yeah, I will. Thank you.
This is a very common layout for all the you don't need courts except for Abbey Hall and Beckett, which are two tall buildings. And in there it's going to be the laundry room and the lounge, which I'll show you as we get out from the room tour later. But for the laundry, you would have to install. We have people who can kind of help children here. And so it's really
That's crazy. It's fine. Yeah, that's good.
So it comes with the fridge and the kitchen, and then the furniture, and that's it. All other things. Yeah.
So guys, you know, we're officially Waterloo bound. We got the hoodie too now. It's over. Confirmed. Waterloo.
Where are we at right now? We're at the Cedra Student Design Center. You're here with your boy Ian Xiong, system design engineer. Look at all these people. We're lining up for the after party. It's kind of crazy.
What do we say?
Sure.
What do we say?
Who am I here with?
Marcus Singh.
Marcus Ng? What
Yeah.
program did you get into?
Systems design engineering.
Alright, who am I here with?
Michelle,
Yeah, what program?
software.
Alright.
Oh, I forgot
Where
to
are
do
we?
that.
Software Eng? Alright.
Waterloo.
So throwing up gang signs, I'm like. We got some free food at the after party, and this is Ian showing me which cookie is the best. Hey, what did you get?
15,000 applicants this year we had to select from. So you are amongst a privileged few that made it into Waterloo Engineering. And you now have an opportunity to study at a top, I would say the top engineering faculty, a leader in research and teaching.
What's up? We out here again. We made it. We made it out of Toronto. We made it at the hood.
That's crazy.
You know him?
No, you don't know? The after party was actually so fun. I met so many people, and actually had a lot of people come up to me and just ask me for pictures. Like people recognizing me from TikTok. I don't even know, but that was crazy. Honestly, I had so much fun, and I was glad like we could actually see our future classmates and talk to them, and get to meet everyone in engineering.
Shotgun. It's not good, bro. No, we're here with Nick. We got cooked. What do you say? Who got cooked here? Who got cooked here? Here's Ken. You got cooked.
Yeah, I got cooked.
And here's the one. We all got Waterloo, but we're still cooked.
Wait, you had this, right?
Yeah, look, you feel bad. You feel bad for like because they're scamming. Well, they scammed us.
I wanted you to get. Okay. I forgot the other two, but they should be easy.
Should I put?
今天我朋友 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10. 今天是我的朋友 8 out of 10.
Because we use distilled water.
8 out of 10.
We use distilled water.
Yo, these things are so good. Yo, Cho, did you see that?
Yo, if you're gonna be often, sit on outside.
You wanna sell outside? Can I throw this away? Bro, I remember walking into this restaurant. It was like, it's called Hai Di Lao or something. All I know is it's very expensive and overpriced. and there was some goofy stuff happening. This one guy was dancing with some string or something, and me and Bryce were just looking at this guy like, what is he doing? We walked in, there was some guy in some dragon suit. He's running around the restaurant. Bro, this whole place was goofy. Even when they sang happy birthday, it was so funny. We were just dying.
Who has temperature control? I can control it. You want to control it? I don't mind.
Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Dude, they think we're gonna like eat like animals, bro. It's not that deep.
This guy, he's gonna get killed at home. He's not getting food, so he has to eat. You have to make sure he's full.
Wait, what?
He's not getting food for the next how many days.
Wait, why?
Huh? Bro, just remember what you ordered. Whatever you want. No, you understand what I'm saying. He's not getting food for the next how many days.
Wait, why?
Because he didn't get his parents' table.
Oh, bro. What does that mean?
Yo, stop playing this serious. I'm not eating lamb rings.
Wait. Yo, yeah, chill.
What are the most nastiest things?
Nah, bro. This is disgusting. Just get meat, alright?
Order it. What are you doing? Don't spill it.
Yo, chill. It looks like poo. I don't know what this is, bro. I don't know what this is.
Now we gotta go stir it up.
What is going on, bro? What?
Oh, start getting the meat. Start getting the cuts. Yeah, start getting the cuts. Okay.
Let's go around
Let's do one each. You okay?
What?
That sounds like real beef, right?
No, they not, bro. Yo, what are you talking about? Just get the regular meat. What are we doing? Yo, chill, bro. Yo, chill. There's a McDonald's right there, bro.
Bro, McDonald's patties are made out of intestines.
Is it okay if you get 5 marble beef? 10.
I don't mind. Doesn't matter.
Okay, everyone needs to grab one of these, brother.
Okay, do you guys want a pork? Like,
I've never had intestines. What do we have?
Oh, let's put the order in. Let's put it up. First up.
Okay, let me order something. Let me see what
No, we already ordered.
Yo.
You didn't ask any of them.
Okay, you can just order again right now.
Yo.
I got one thing. I got like 2 things.
I got one thing, bro.
What is that? Who ordered?
No. He has to order.
It's just personal.
Yo, what? Didn't you? You're the person with the iPad.
No. I took it.
Okay.
Bro, Daniel, you
Yo, what's going on?
No, yeah, that's right. Yo, okay. Okay, I think that's hard to
Yo, chill.
That's actually hard to figure out.
What is that?
This is hard though. Let me try. Yo, you got the grease all over.
Yo, you guys
Why would you get grease on the melon? This was the one thing I could eat.
So what is happening though? Yeah.
That's good. That's fine. Okay, so.
Oh, my hand's dirty.
Happy birthday. No, you're not going to sing it. No.
How you set me wasting all my time. Can't afford to let you see